Wi-Fi video doorbell camera, XTU wireless doorbell camera with chime, 1080p HD, two-way audio, motion detection, IP65 waterproof, cloud storage and 32 GB South Dakota card included. 100% wireless and cordless : This Wi-Fi video doorbell built-in 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery and Wi-Fi connected. The installation and the connection of security camera are 100% wireless, which gives you the added convenience of not having to deal with any outlets or tangled mess of wires. Easy to install and use: This wireless doorbell camera takes less than 5 minutes to set up without having to use any complicated tools. Download CloudEdge App on Google Play/App Store. Friendly app operation can help you use it quickly. 1080p Full HD and night vision: Home security doorbell can be used both day or night. It monitors your home in 1080 HD video with infrared night vision and live view. It maintains a 166-degree wide view angle and offers two-way audio talk to let you easily hold conversations. Motion detection and waterproof: Our video doorbell security camera helps you maintain safety by viewing whoever is at your door without opening it. To make sure your protection stays up around the clock, we use an IP65 waterproof design. It's safe to use in all weather conditions, which makes it ideal for use all through the year. Secure cloud storage and local storage: Video doorbell adopt financial encryption, support up to 128G micro SD, 32 GB South Dakota card included, storage and cloud storage. You'll never miss out on a moment with remote and playback video with the encrypted cloud service wherever you are. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.